Sketch a graph of 0 is less than x, which is less than 3, and express the solution in interval notation. This is called a double inequality because there are two inequality signs here. Let's make our number line, and then we'll talk about how to interpret this. Now, if we look at the first part of the inequality, 0 is less than x, that's really the same as x is greater than 0. So one of the restrictions is that x has to be larger than 0. That means that we're looking for numbers that are to the right of 0. However, if we look at the other part of the inequality, x is less than 3, that means x has to be less than 3, so x has to be to the left of 3. So these requirements say that x has to be to the right of 0, but to the left of 3. Well, that means that the solutions fall between 0 and 3. And so we need to shade the part of the number line between 0 and 3. So that is effectively where our solutions will be. Now, we know that x has to be strictly greater than 0. It's not allowed to be equal to 0. So that means we put an open circle there. And then the same is true with 3. X can't be equal to 3, so we need an open circle there as well. And so if we were to write this in interval notation, this would be parenthesis 0, 3 parenthesis. We are looking at the interval between 0 and 3, and not including 0, not including 3. Effectively, with these double inequalities, x is between 0 and 3, we can just interpret that as x has to be between 0 and 3, and so we shade in between 0 and 3.